Hi guys, this is Rich. Today's date is November 8th, 2015, and I am doing a screencast for Barnables, the home edition. Okay, so let's get it up and running. Okay, you can see we've added credits and a whole bunch of other things. We've added score. Let's actually do this more formally though. Okay, so first on the ballot, we're going to state the milestone. Okay, so first we're going to add a credit screen. Basically, what we're looking to do there is to just get everyone's names in and give credit for who's done what. We are going to add a system of keeping track of score, so that if you get a right answer, you get plus 1 point, and if you get a wrong, you get minus a point. I made it a very simple score system. I think arguably you could do something a lot more complicated for a game like this, and you probably want to if you're going to have a score system on release. But, they don't want all that for release, I guess. So, on release, we probably wouldn't have a kind of feedback that would involve, for example, reading, which some of the kids playing the game might not be able to do. You could translate that number into an effect. Maybe you increase applause as, the number goes up, and decrease it when it goes down, or increase the brightness, or do something else that's visually appealing or auditorily appealing. Okay, but anyways, that's not what we did here. Fix the positions of the animals in the final levels. That was pretty simple. We just reduced size a little and lined them up. Then these two requests were from the actual team itself. That was to reduce the color in the background and to rotate the images so that the sky was actually in the sky, the water was on the ground, and the forest and barn were across from each other. So I think the next step was a quick demo. Okay, let's get that going. Okay, so you see we've got the credits. Let's hit them. You can see everyone's names here. I divided it up by teams. And when you click over, you end up back here. Okay, you can see skies and sky, water's on the ground, barn, and forest. You can see that background's a little darker, not too much, but a little, and we've got a place to keep score. So that if we do this, using forest, okay. Doing poorly at my own game here. Let's get the wolf and the cat confused. Okay, I'm just getting us to that last level. So, that's a glitch I'll need to very quickly address. And yeah, okay. So you can, sorry, I got focused on that glitch, and yeah, we've gotten here, and you can very clearly see that we've completed the task of getting all of these in a row, which I think is the last of the milestones we had to explain. Okay, we went through credits, score, fixing the positions, yes, reducing the color, and getting the images in the appropriate place. Yeah, okay. So, good demo. Let's actually just build that for Windows and demo it there. Place. Just to make sure everything we're doing is current. And then we'll go over the code. Let's see. There we go.
Welcome to Barnables.
Okay, so you can see the credits.
Drag the animal to the... Well done. Great job. Great job. Nice job. Nice job. Well done. Great job.
And let's again just get to that
Nice
last
job.
level.
Nice job. Nice job. Almost. Nice job.
See, when I did the almost,
Nice job.
I was just trying to demo
Well done.
that the score goes down.
Almost.
Just
Good try. Close. Keep
Okay.
going. Great job. Well done. Correct. Well done. Correct. Great job. Nice job. Close. Keep going. Nice job. Correct. Correct. Almost. Close. Keep going.
Okay. Yeah, I'm playing around
Nice
with
job.
the score here.
Nice job. Don't give up.
Okay, that
Great
was
job.
okay, but yeah, you get the basic idea.
Don't give up. Almost.
Okay, so some of them will return. Okay, sorry,
Great
I'm
job.
testing out this error now. I'm trying to see about why it's not returning, and you can see obviously that the exit still moves. Okay, so that's something to note. I'll fix that before I submit it to everyone else. That error there, but okay, so we've done the demo. Now let's quickly just go through the code I used. Okay, so let's head down to the bottom. So one of the things we edited is right here is how we open the credits. You can see that I'm turning some things off and some things on. Then I am setting a counter, and basically I'm just counting the number of leads and going through them one at a time and feeding them into the actual text box. And you can see with a new line formed at the beginning of each. Okay, and basically then I create another method up here where we go through the different types. So that artists, programmers, audio, all that have their own kind of box, so we don't have everything crammed in. And once you're done and you're anywhere outside of this, we close everything out and reopen the beginning. And then up here at the top, obviously, I created a method for it, and I made these all lists, and that way it's nice and easy. If anyone wants to come in here and expand the credits, all they have to do is go to the game manager and expand anywhere on this list. And they can just, if you don't want to deal with them, you can just shrink them in here. Okay, so that was easy. Let's go through the score system. So basically, this is, okay. So, we're going into GM, which is the general manager, and there, we're keeping track of, score there in a, integer called write, and every time, this method is called, which is when you've done something correctly, the score goes up and we display it in text. And we've got an else, so otherwise it goes down. Simple enough. Okay, what else did we do? We move things around. Just pull up my browser. Okay. Fix positions of animals. Okay, we did that. That doesn't have any code to it. Reducing color, I just introduced some gray and relocated the image. Also doesn't have any code to it. Okay, so this really wraps things up. I'm responding to doing number 3 now in case that's not clear. Um, I'm responding to the last of the complaints, the bugs, and making sure that it has everything it needs. I determined this was complete when I obviously submitted on Friday for everyone to review, and generally I have yet to hear any complaints. Everyone seemed to like it. Um, so we got things resolved there, and that's how I determined it was complete. I don't think I'll be revisiting this because it's due on I guess the release date is, or I've got to turn it in on the 10th for everyone to do a final review of for release on the 15th. But yeah, so I don't think I'll be revisiting it. Okay, I already walked you through all the code. Okay. Yeah, this wasn't the most efficient way. I mean, obviously you've got a nested loop, but it's not. We're doing one call and then the exponential growth, so it's not. It's not an exponent, or it's not x to a power, x to the power of n, or whatever you want to call it. It's just, yeah. Sorry, I'm all puzzled here tonight. Okay. Discuss any challenges or issues. This was pretty easy. Just time consuming. It wasn't that difficult. And yeah, it was pretty simple coding. Okay, so I've demonstrated this on one device. Obviously, I'll also demonstrate it on the Android. I might do a separate. I'm gonna email you about this if you want it. We left it up in the air a little bit about whether Fantasy Blade would be included in this or any of that. So I did do a whole bunch of database work for that this week, and map work and getting that up, and I can do a video on it. I'm just not sure if that was something you wanted to take into account when judging this. So I'm going to shoot you an email on that. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching. Take care.